Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not working on phone. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you have problems with the connection or just the WhatsApp does not work, then watch the video to the end and we will solve this problem. So first thing you need to do is go to the App Store or Google Play and check if you have all the updates installed. The fact is the older versions of the application often fail, so if you have an update, then do it. The second way will be restart the application itself. The fact is that some people do not close the tab with the WhatsApp, so it takes a long time to reconnect or it does not work at all. In different phones you just need to close the application and log in again. Also, if you are not connected, check your internet, whether your Wi-Fi or mobile internet is connected and working. Try to turn it off and turn it on again, both in the phone and the modem itself. Also turn off the Bluetooth, it may be the cause of incorrect operation. The next step will be to check access to the application, find the WhatsApp in the settings and check if this application has everything available, access to contacts, microphone and photos and others. Next you can try reinstalling the application, select it on the screen and delete it. Then download it again through the App Store or Google Play. Well, the last possible option may be restart your phone, maybe this will also help you. Sometimes there are just crashes in the application, wait a while and check. Maybe all your problems will be fixed. Be sure to watch the entire playlist about WhatsApp on my channel or follow the link in the description. I'm sure you'll learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.